In this video, you will learn what vCloud Usage Meter 4.3 is and how to deploy it. But first, let's say a few words about what Usage Meter is and how it works. vCloud Usage Meter is a free tool, part of the VMware Cloud Provider program. It is a virtual appliance that is installed in the provider's environment through vSphere. It collects usage data from the VMware products that were added to it. The collected data goes to the vCloud Usage Insight service, which aggregates it and sends it to the VMware Commerce portal if automatic reporting was selected. Metering by vCloud Usage Meter 4.3 is reported under the flex pricing model. vCloud Usage Meter 4.3 has metering parity with vCloud Usage Meter 3.61. On top of that, Usage Meter 4.3 includes metering of the following products and features: VMware Cloud Foundation, SDDC Manager, Tanzu Basic, NSXT, and vRealize Network Insight. After briefly covering what's new in vCloud Usage Meter 4.3, let's get started with the deployment process. In this video, we will deploy Usage Meter with static IP. First, go to my.vmware.com and download vCloud Usage Meter 4.3. In vSphere, navigate to Hosts and Clusters. Right-click a host or a cluster and select Deploy OVF Template. In the Select OVF Template wizard, select the Usage Meter OVA file from the directory it was downloaded. Enter a name and select a target location where to run vCloud Usage Meter. Select the compute resource that you will use for the deployment of Usage Meter. Verify the OVF template details. Review and accept the Usage Meter license agreement. Select where to store vCloud Usage Meter files. Select from the drop-down list the virtual disk format of the selected storage. Select the network to which the appliance will connect. The IP allocation of your Usage Meter is set initially to static IP, but Usage Meter with dynamic IP can also be configured later in the wizard. Enter a password for each of the following Usage Meter user accounts: root, Usage Meter, and Auditor. With these users, you'll be able to access logs and configuration files and manage the vCloud Usage Meter services. Then configure the network properties for Usage Meter with static IP. Enter a default gateway, domain name, domain search path, domain name server separated with comma, IP address of this interface, and network 1 netmask. Review the configuration details of the Usage Meter OVF template. Click Finish. Wait until Usage Meter is deployed. Start the Usage Meter. Launch the Usage Meter web console. Wait until Usage Meter boots for the first time. Go to the IP address shown on the Usage Meter web console screen. It will load the Usage Meter web interface. Log into the Usage Meter web interface with the Usage Meter account and the password you set for it during the Usage Meter deployment. In the Usage Meter Initialization wizard, complete the following. Read and agree with the Usage Meter terms and conditions. Select how you will connect to the vCloud Usage Insight service. In this video, we will use direct connection. If you're using a proxy server, go to docs.vmware.com to learn how to set it up. Check the summary of the Usage Meter setup. Copy the Usage Meter ID. Register the Usage Meter ID in a contract in the VMware Commerce portal. Finally, check the registration of the appliance and finish the wizard. You're now ready to start metering your VMware products with vCloud Usage Meter 4.3. Thank you for watching.